we already went in.
The octopus gonna get us. Oh my gosh, here comes the octopus. Oh, there's the soap. Oh, look at all the dirty stuff coming off the windows. Look at that. They're gonna get us. Okay, now we better go through. Look at all that dirty window.
They're gonna get a baby.
Look at the tree beside the car. Oh, there's a big one.
Baby.
Ah! Uh-oh. Here comes the windshield wipers. Now this is the octopus. Ah! They're drowning. Oh, now they're going to be the winds.
Now it's raining.
See the rain coming on. It's pouring out rain in local California. Oh, here comes the heater. Uh-oh.